Did you know most people live their entire life without discovering even an ounce of their true potential? Imagine a power inside you strong enough to change your life completely, yet ignored every single day. Today, I'll show you how to uncover that hidden power, step by step, and why most people fail before they even try. Because imagine this, living your whole life and never knowing what you're truly capable of. Most people never discover it, but you're about to. Step 1. Face your reality. Everything starts here, right now, with a look in the mirror. Ask yourself, what have you been running from? Your fears, your habits, the excuses you repeat. They're not enemies, they're clues. Clues to the power you've been hiding all along. Step 2. Discover your unique strength. Your power is unlike anyone else's. It's not in being perfect, it's in the moments you surprise yourself, the moments you rise when no one is watching. Write them down. Remember them. Those moments are your secret weapons, your hidden power, waiting to explode. Step 3. Break the comfort zone. Comfort is the silent killer of dreams. It whispers, stay safe, stay small. But true power is forged in fire. One uncomfortable step, one risk, one failure, and suddenly, the impossible starts to feel possible. Step 4. Build daily rituals. Power isn't found, it's built, minute by minute, habit by habit. Meditation, reflection, learning. Each day you invest, your hidden strength grows, stronger than yesterday, unstoppable tomorrow. Step 5. Share and multiply. Power, when kept to yourself, is limited, but when shared, it multiplies. Help someone, inspire someone, create something meaningful, and in that moment, you'll see it. Your potential, limitless, unstoppable, unforgettable. Your hidden power is not a myth. It's here, inside you, waiting, waiting for the brave, for the curious, for the ones who refuse to settle. Will you take it? Will you rise? If yes, subscribe, turn on notifications, and together, we'll uncover everything you were meant to be. Oh,